Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Umidigi S2 Lite, at the first you have to go for your menu, then find clock application. Next move to the left upper corner on the alarm. We can activate one of this default. Click here to customize. At the first we can change hours and then minutes. Click OK. We can set the repeat. Maybe we can leave it on the Friday. We can also adjust vibration. We can change ringtone. And change label. Click OK, and as you can see, that's how we can customize and activate alarm clock on the Umidigi S2 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.